hold up.
Hello mga ka-swangernsz! Welcome back to my channel! So in today's video guys, I am going to make a very dramatic makeup look on this new normal. New normal guys, it is because we are still experiencing the COVID-19 or the pandemic, and then we can't go out if we don't wear face masks, face shields, gloves, or a few of us, especially the frontliners, they wear the complete PPEs. So hopefully guys, ma-end ra gyud ni siya as soon as possible that we can still celebrate the Halloween party, the Christmas party, di ba? Let's just pray and hope for the best. So anyways, if you guys are interested what kind of look that I'll be doing today, then please keep on watching. So starting on my clean bare face, I'm gonna use this MAC Fix Plus to revitalize my skin. So just wait for a few seconds and let it dry. I'll be using this Maybelline Matte Poreless Liquid Foundation in the shade of 230 Natural Bluff. Spread this all over my face using a damp beauty blender. And to conceal those eye bags and imperfection on my skin, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin Concealer. And just blend it using a smaller beauty blender. So I'm gonna use this Coty Airspun Loose Powder for baking my face. Let's proceed to the eyebrows. I'm gonna use this clear eyebrow soap to create a fuller effect on my brows. I'm gonna use this Maybelline Tattoo Brow Ink Pen to fill in my brows. Then just clean it out by using the same concealer I used earlier. I'm gonna use this shade from a blush duo compact, and using this small contour blush from ELF, I'm gonna put that color on my crease as a transition color. Just focus on the outer V up to the middle crease of my eyes. Just focus on that area and just blend. So using a different brush, I'm using my flat brush to spread out the color up to the brow bone area. Just use an upward strokes, and again, Be patient and just blend until you are satisfied on the effect that you wanted. So I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna use this matte black eyeshadow on the outer V, and I'm using this small flat brush. Remember, use a circular stroke to focus on that area. Then slowly drag your strokes to the middle crease area. And you can also start blending from the inner corner up to the middle crease. So just blend it until you achieve a half crease look. Just blend it until your eyeshadow will look like this. Don't forget to just blend it until you are satisfied on the effect that you wanted. So using this metallic liquid eyeshadow, I'm gonna put this on the middle crease or in the center area of my eyes. Blend it using a different flat brush. Then, just blend it again and slowly drag it upwards. I'm gonna use this color again and put it on my lower lash line. And use this matte black eyeshadow again on top of the first color that I put earlier. I'm gonna use this Everblenda black eyeliner on my waterline. And we'll also put it on the tight line. So I'm gonna use this Fashion 21 liquid eyeliner and try to do a mini cat eye look. Using this Nichido liquid eyeliner pen, I will use this to extend a line on my tear duct area. I'm just going to curl my lashes. And use this Maybelline Lash Sensational on my upper lashes and my lower lashes. And then I'm gonna use this Taiwan fake eyelashes on the number 032. Just cutting the excess and put some lash glue. And then put it on my lashes. and using mascara again to blend the fake eyelashes on my natural lashes. I'm just putting the liquid eyeliner on top of the fake eyelashes so that it will not be too obvious. I'll just do the other eyes off cam and I'll be right back. So I'm back, guys. I'm using this Beauté face powder all over my face. I'm using this H&M bronzing powder to contour my face. For the blush, I'm using my NARS in the shade of Orgasm. I'm also going to contour my nose using the H&M bronzing powder. So I'm going to use the Savannah colors for highlighting my brow bone area, tip of the nose, bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow area, and above my cheekbones. I'm gonna use this Everbelena matte lip liner in the shade of Toast of New York. I'm using this lipstick from Vice Cosmetics in the shade of Sinetch. So I'm going to use my MAC Fix Plus again to bind everything on my face. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoy in today's video, and if you do, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Click the bell button below so that you will be notified on my next videos. So please be safe, everyone, and see you on my next video. Bye!